county medical examiner there, Dr. John Howard, saying that there was no petechiae. That's hemorrhaging or visible signs in the face, neck, sometimes in the eyes that someone has been asphyxiated or strangled. He said there's no evidence of that, and we expect his opinion is going to be that this appeared to be a death by gunshot wound. Let's quickly bring in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, it's good to see you. Thanks for being on with us and sharing your time. Tell me how unusual it is for us to see a county medical examiner testifying for the defense and not the prosecution.
You know, when we were on a break, I called a local judge to ask him if he has seen that recently. He didn't answer my call, but he'll call me back later and I'll ask him, because I personally, I haven't really seen it. I mean, I haven't seen it in a long time. I'm sure it has happened, but it's bizarre. It's bizarre in favor of the defense. I could imagine that something has. The fact that the defendant is a state trooper, I have to imagine that has to do with it, because it's too much of a coincidence that a state actor is testifying in favor of a former state actor who was not acting in his official capacity when the situation happened with his wife. But I have to imagine that has something to do with it.
Right, and he could be protecting his reputation. He initially said suicide, and it's not until many months, years later, that they were able to build a case for this being a homicide instead. But we are going to hear on cross-examination by the state. We expect to hear that they're going to dig into why he retired, why he left the medical examiner's office. So we have all of that ahead to look forward to. Let's